Top 5 shower heads in 2017. Number 5. Hydrolux Full Chrome 24 Function Ultra Luxury 3-Way 2-in-1 Shower. Use each shower separately or both together. All Chrome 24 Function Shower System. Oversized 4-inch chrome face. Patented 3-way water diverter with anti-swivel lock nub. Angle adjustable overhead bracket. 10-year warranty. Please check the description for detail and prices. Number 4. ShowerMax Shower Head Premium 6 Spray Settings. High pressure water flow. 2.5 GPM water flow with removable flow restrictor. Flow restrictor and sand filter disc. Premium quality ABS and Coron. Highest quality ABS material and features. Lifetime warranty. Please check the description for detail and prices. Number 3. H2O Vibrain Showerhead Jet with wireless Bluetooth speaker. Enjoy an ultra-wide and powerful drenching rain shower. Listening to your favorite music. Enhanced noise reduction and dual microphone. Premium crisp clean sound. Easy and fast installation. 3 times more spray power than a standard shower head. Please check the description for detail and prices. Number 2. DreamSpa AquaFan 12-inch all. LED shower head by DreamSpa registered trademarked features 12-inch. All chrome face with color changing LED/LCD temperature display. Elegant 12-inch curved fan design. Easy install without tools. LCD display changes color with water temperature. 1-year warranty with live customer service. Please check the description for detail and prices. Number 1. Speakman S2252. Features patented Enestream 360 degrees technology. Solid brass ensuring quality and longevity. Equipped with 6 adjustable jets producing 48 individual sprays. .5 GPM flow control, fits standard US plumbing connections. Limited powerful spray performance. Lifetime warranty. Please check the description for detail and prices.